The man say him suck girl tour from Tokyo. What the hell? Batman story go. Come to check. Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando, yours truly. You know it already, man. You know, and in this episode, I will be reacting to none other than DEVA Bratt. DEVA Bratt just dropped another song. And I don't know, bro. This man keeps dropping, and he keeps dropping, and he keeps dropping. I'm guessing his fans are more so excited for all the drops because they're reacting and they're loving the song. So, before further ado, let's just get right into the reaction. And this one is called Return of the Bratt. So, let's go. DEVA Bratt, man. Wait, isn't this Return of the Mac? Rhythm and sound? Wait a minute, DEVA Bratt. What are you saying? I'm telling you, bro. DEVA Bratt is on to something, bro. This man is doing over the Return of the Mac song in his own way. Let's go. This is what you call versatility. Shit. Run that back. Cause I was shocked. Whew. Come on! Ooh yeah! Yo, what the fuck man just say a while ago that? Yo, what did he just say, bro? Who is he taking shots at? Let me know in the comment section who is DEVA Bratt taking shots at. Cause he's saying that guy they are freaking now, you know? Him suck girl from the head to toe. Who is he talking about? Wait a minute. Is he talking about Vybz Kartel? He's still taking shots at Vybz Kartel. He's never gonna stop taking shots at Vybz Kartel. Pull up, dog. Pull up. What the hell, DEVA Bratt? DEVA Bratt, dog. How are these? I like it. The man say him suck girl tour from Tokyo. What the hell? Batman story go. Come to it yourself now. I got the flow. Yeah. You never knew it from the start until contract. There is leg apart. In the one for power again until you show me not a friend. Teacher. Ooh, shit. Brother, DEVA Bratt, what is this, bro? A war, the man gone back in a war mode again. The man attack Vybz Kartel, bro. The man said, teacher, you lied to we. Shawty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. Shawty go fuck and you cry. She never deny. My boy said Shawty go fuck and Kartel cry. I never deny. Shawty never pull up the hand. DEVA Bratt, he's unserious, bro. DEVA Bratt is unserious, bro. Come on. Whoa. Come on, bring it back here, bro. Yeah. I got the flow. Did you know that he has the flow, bro? Did you know that DEVA Bratt has the flow, bro? I can't get past that part, bro. Shawty girl, fuck on you crying. She never deny, yeah. You see Vybz Kartel crying in his songs, right? For Shawty, but nah. We might talk about you wouldn't do the same thing what Vybz do. Who named Vybz? Somebody named Vybz? Wait, pull up that part. Oh shit, you wouldn't do the same thing Vybz do for you. So I'm guessing he's saying, oh, you remember DEVA Bratt knows a lot about Vybz Kartel. I'm guessing he's saying that Kartel wouldn't do the same thing that Vybz do for him. So I'm guessing whosoever named Vybz did something for Kartel, some good gesture or whatever, but DEVA Bratt, he's getting it. Return of the Bratt! Return of the Bratt! This song is a troll song, bro. This song is a trolling song, but at the same time, he wanna flow up on the beat, dog. You better be careful the return of the Mac singer. Sue him in the car. If this got big enough, bro, you gotta pay. I'm guessing he got some rights to do the cover for it, but bro, this is crazy. Return of the Bratt. True. You remember Shatta Wale went on his knees to Vybz Kartel to show him his respect. But DEVA Bratt is saying Shatta Wale was about to propose. What is this? DEVA Bratt, why you trolling Vybz Kartel, bro? Why you don't give man a break, fam? Yo, the man a troll the man, bro. John, yo, pull up that I get that. Where the man really say? Shatta Wale love you and he make the people know. Looks like him propose at the show. I'm telling you, man is trolling Vybz Kartel, bro. The man I said, he knows that Shatta Wale wrong. And he never tell the man to get up off his knees, bro. Listen carefully, sing along if you know the song. You lie to we. I thought you said you don't eat prison food. You lie. I thought you said you don't eat prison food. You lie to we. Oh my God. I lie you tell upon the man, dog. The man get food from road coming to prison feed. I want to never Bratt, dog. What you do. You lie to me about the things you said you'd never do. You lie to me. Raise your make it to me if you wonder what they do to you. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. This is called Return of the Bratt. Karaoke war. Karaoke. DEVA Bratt. DEVA Bratt. Return of the Bratt. This is when the flow get crazy, bro. It's like this is when the shit get really crazy. He's starting to spit now, because I was waiting. When is he going to spit? Them or not? Pull up that again. Them are no king, them are shit in a plate, sit in a pot. Them are no king, shit in a plate, shit in a pot. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them pick me a wonder.
If them attack, them face well. Like it is a front. Foot on no eye from Sean, you know see him a jam. Big transmission, no give him a flap. Finger.
Yo, Shalom big. And this is the year of a Shalom bag. Cause Shalom slang them use from left to right. Them are not king, them are shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Brother, DEVA Bratt say it, I know me say it, bro. I DEVA Bratt, dog. Pull up that blood clean. That part of the wicked, dog. I'll come again.
Them are not king, shit in a plate, shit in a bag. Them fear me, just like the spirit of God. Them pick me a wonder, if them attack, them face well. Like it is a front. Foot on no eye from Sean, you know see him a jam. Big transmission, no give him a flap. For 13 years, he was sleep on a slab.
Dog! Bro, DEVA Bratt a murder with him, dog. Yo! And the flow changes. And the flow changes. Kick it back, bro. Kick it back, bro. DEVA Bratt is back in full effect. God, man, flow is changing as it goes by in the song, bro. He's changing the flow as he goes. That's like 3 flows just now change. DEVA Bratt is back in that full effect. And then him change it after that. Pull it. DEVA with the psycho wave, breaker wave. And then the other flow. DEVA Bratt is back in full effect. DEVA Bratt with a wave, psycho. Bumbo click, dog. I thought you said that you didn't eat prison food, you lied to me. You never deny, do for you. Return of the Bratt. Return of the Bratt. That's how you get you down. I'm wondering who's gonna play this in a party, bro. Cause it's gonna get mad forward, bro. Mad forward, brother. No lie, because it have a wicked vibes out. It with vibes, there, and the lyrics are spit down in the other part, last part I verse them, bro. I like it now. I like it. Bro, it is safe to say DEVA Bratt is on a streak, brother. The man up on a streak, dog. Tune after tune. Hey. Hey, them on a king, them a shit in a plate, shit in a pot. Them on a king, shit in a plate, shit in a pot. DEVA Bratt come back in a full effect. Bumbo, yeah. Hey, DEVA Bratt, I want you gone, dog. No lie, bro. No lie, bro. No lie. But let me know, bro. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Tell me if you guys like this reaction and you want to see me do more reaction. I was just enjoying this song, bro. It have a vibe. I like it, brother. It make me a laugh. And at the same time, it make me a vibe to it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You know it go already, man. Vybz and Insight with Nando. Peace. I'm out. Wow, good. Man.